Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new customers from KeyCRM to Slack. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new customers from KeyCRM to other systems. For example, in Slack you will be able to send new messages to the channel with each new customer from KeyCRM and never miss them. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the KeyCRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, select Get Customers, New. At this stage, you need to connect your KeyCRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal account KeyCRM. Next, go to Settings, General. If you haven't created an API key yet, click Create API Key. Copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the KeyCRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your KeyCRM customers. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the KeyCRM data source setup. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Choose Slack System. Now you need to select an action. Send Message, Channel. At this stage you need to connect your Slack account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the URL of your workspace. In order to get it, go to your personal Slack account. Copy the domain without additional characters. Now you need to log into your Slack account. For example, through email and password. In this case, my authorization goes through a Google account. At this stage, we grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Slack account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the channel to which new messages will be sent for each new customers from KeyCRM. Now we compose the text of the message. In this field you can assign variables from KeyCRM. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all necessary variables are assigned, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to the selected Slack channel for each new customers from KeyCRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. After successful sending, go to Slack and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes setting up Slack as a data destination successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.